everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make our very own spring bells. The first step is to make sure you have all of your supplies gathered together. This includes your egg carton cup, your jingle bell, your glue stick, colored paper, some stickers, and your pipe cleaner. Let's get started! The first thing we're going to do with our jingle bell is find the loop on the bottom. This loop is going to help us to slide the bell onto our pipe cleaner. Once we have our jingle bell in the center of our pipe cleaner, we're going to bend the pipe cleaner in half. Next, we're going to twist just the bottom of the pipe cleaner so that our jingle bell is secure. Now it's time to start assembling our bell. Make sure you have your egg carton cup with you. Once you're done with this step, the jingle bell should be sitting inside of the cup. Once your bell looks like this, we're going to start making the handle. You're going to do this by taking both ends of the pipe cleaner and bending them down, just like this. When you have your handle formed, make sure to take both ends of the pipe cleaners and push them down into the cup. When your bell looks like this and you pushed the ends of the handle through the cup, make sure to bend the ends back behind the jingle bell so they don't poke you. Awesome! Now we have our bell all assembled. We can use any art supplies of our choosing to start to decorate. I have some colored paper, some stickers, and a glue stick. You can use the supplies in any way creatively to make your bell however you want to. I'm going to use scissors to start to cut out some paper to make petals for my bell. Now that I have all the pieces of paper cut out that I want, I'm going to use my glue stick to attach them to my bell. I decided that I wanted to cut off the edges of my paper petals, but you can keep them like this or cut them however you want to. Now that the paper is all glued on, it's time for stickers. You can use any of the stickers supplied in your bag to decorate your bell. Once you're all finished decorating, you're done. Now you can use the handle to shake, shake, shake your bell. Now it's time to learn how to make our very own bird feeders. The first step is to make sure you have all of your supplies gathered. This includes your egg carton, your bird seed, 2 pieces of string, and your stickers. You can also find something that will help you to poke out holes in the side of your bird feeder. I chose to use a pencil. Let's grab our egg cartons and start to make holes in each corner of our egg carton. I'm using a pencil to poke out these holes. Now that we have all holes made in each corner of our bird feeder, we're going to use our 2 pieces of string. Use one end of your piece of string to loop it into a hole in one corner of the carton. Once the end of your string is through, tie the string so that it's secure. Now we're going to take the end of our same string and pull it through the hole that's diagonal of the first one. And once again, make sure to tie your string so that it stays secure. Repeat the same process with your second string. Once you're done tying your strings, you can start to see how your bird feeder is going to hang by pulling the strings up like this. Now it's time to decorate our bird feeder. You can use any stickers that came with your bag. I'm going to start by putting stickers on the bottom of my bird feeder. Once your stickers are on your bird feeder just the way you like it, it's time to grab your bag of bird seed. Grab a pinch of bird seed and start to fill the egg carton cups. Once you're done with all those steps, you can start to grab the strings of your bird feeder to see how it's going to hang. You can hang your bird feeder anywhere outside for the birds to enjoy. Now you're all done with your bird feeder. Enjoy your spring instrument and your spring craft.